Storm Rune here with a brawl. Barf Belch, Dagur, Skrill, exotic Smothering Smokebreath. Gonna take out Dagur Skrill first, then the exotic Smothering Smokebreath, and end it off with Barf Belch. A lot of people don't like the confuse that the smoke breath gives. I actually don't mind it. A lot of times I find that my dragons do what I was going to do with them anyway. So the fact that they were confused had zero effect. I don't mind if you take Sleuther out here. Here's another example of, oh, they didn't, so I won't even bring it up. And now I'm down to Barf Belch. And that's it.